Integrating smart contracts with Express.js for blockchain applications involves several steps, starting with setting up a new Node.js project. Install the required dependencies, including Express.js, Web3.js, and Truffle suite, which provides the necessary tools for smart contract development. Next, create a new Express.js app and configure it to work with blockchain by installing middleware such as Morgan and Body Parser. Set up routes for interacting with the smart contract. Create and deploy a smart contract using Solidity and Truffle, which involves writing the contract code, compiling it, and deploying it to a blockchain network. Interact with the contract using Web3.js, which allows you to call contract functions and retrieve data. To integrate the smart contract with the Express.js app, create API endpoints that interact with the contract using Web3.js. Implement security measures such as authentication and authorization to ensure authorized access. Finally, test the application thoroughly to ensure it works as expected, and deploy it to a production environment. Follow best practices for smart contract development and stay updated with the latest in blockchain technology.